Esaphambili ngalesikhasamandle inyanga yaseThekwini edumile ephinde ibe yilunga le-MK Party okuDr Khehlele seveze ukuthi ke khona abadla amandla akhe. Lokho kubhaleke washo ebukhasini lakhe la Facebook wathi morning everyone, ake sicacise lena ekaKhehlelezi ulwile too much ngama resource akhe imali for the love of the people, the love of MK, underline this, ebengalweli position for the love of the people and MK Party. Nansi inkinga enkulu manje kunama Raimusi athi ugaqele isikhundla sobu MEC wako health. No man, le ndoda ayikaze ikhulume niksi, ayikaze ibe kuma any of structures noma ekhuluma simbone ezibeka phezulu. He's always down the ground. So if you feel the pressure by him being around, ungakhulumi kabi, because most of you izikebha uzithengile hayi kancane. Legele the most of events money by his resource by social media singa